Hi everyone, today I will show you a useful modifier called Krokodove. Let's start by adding a text node. Then after, right click inside of text box and you will see the Krokodove and raise it right. Click this, open a modifier. Inside the modifier you will see two parameters. One is cursor and one is prefix. I will write something. Then after I will preview this in preview monitor. You will see here cursor and here is a show cursor. This is already checked on. That's why we are seeing this. And we can also decrease this and you will see automatically decreasing. And prefix means first of the text. When I check on prefix, then you can see first line of word, and I will write same thing in here. And when I decrease, see, this two line is not removing because this two cursor and prefix was different from a text box. Okay, that's why. If you need like Alok web text, this Alok web text, and in here you can see same thing, but here is a blink also, yeah, but we can't see in here blink, but this is also nice, we can see here. So many creators don't know about this, and we can also make like this, like, wait a minute, I will show you. Like here you can see, and here also you can see same thing. In here you can see, and here same thing. When I untick this, then you can see here decreasing from a middle, but we can press this as anchor to left, then you can see same thing, yeah. And we can also use this same thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.